Neville is going to introduce you to the Ardenne High Steel Orchestra.
Well, the first person I'll introduce you to is this lady, who is Marsha Lawrence Davids. Don't?
Yes,
Davids. And don't tell me I will remember, she's the co-curricular coordinator at Ardenne High. Good morning.
Good morning.
Which means what, miss?
Well, it means that I'm in charge of overseeing those areas that complement the academics, such as the performing arts, clubs and societies, etc.
But that's a big position in a very serious way.
It is, and especially at Ardenne, where we have over 60 clubs and societies. And
60?
60 clubs and societies, and they're all doing well. Our teachers are very involved with working with the students, and even more than that, our students are leaders because of the amount of clubs that they lead.
That's brilliant. Apart from what we're doing here, where would this, by the way, it's not a band. It's an orchestra. Being a man do have orchestra, he have band, so then man bigger than being a man. But where would they perform outside of somewhere like this?
Well, they perform at the JCDC. In fact, they got several awards this year and in previous years, gold medals primarily, and also silver and bronze medals. And also they're invited to perform at several events, and as long as they're available, they will attend.
All right, brilliant. Javier is Javier or Javier?
Anyone.
Is one of them your name? Which one? Javier is beside me. Not afraid to ask Javier, because me and him talk. Every time I ask Javier something, him go. And then I'm taking about 10 minutes to answer me. Morning, everyone. Morning. Welcome. I'll get the names from everybody, but I want to talk to the great Javier. Why steel pan? Morning?
Morning.
Why steel pan?
Because we are able to move and have fun, you know, with the other instruments. Like, as you said, the guitar, you have, you
just stand up and...
No,
they don't have guitarists, way.
No, but as one amongst you, run up and down and
run up and down, go where?
All over.
Javier, man.
All over, you know.
So this is two you play, or just one?
We all can play all of the pans right here.
And all of them give you a different kind of sound. So this one is what? Tenor, bass?
Yeah, the...
I said tenor, bass, and you say yeah.
Yeah.
I'm to Javier, man.
Tenor.
Tenor. You can play all of them?
Yeah.
How long it took you to learn?
Couple of months.
Couple of months, as in 2? Couple is 2, you know.
Yeah.
For real, yeah.
See it? I said 2? You never think about it. Great to meet you.
Oh, thank you.
What you going to be when you grow up?
Either a neurosurgeon or a neuroscientist, hopefully, God's willing.
A neurosurgeon who plays steel pan.
Yeah.
You would be the first steel pan playing neurosurgeon. Good luck. I'll
Thank
get
you.
the names from everybody.
Abigail.
Abigail. And
Yes.
what pan you play?
I play the double tenor and I play the bass.
Double tenor and bass.
Yes. Leah, I play the rhythm and bass.
Leah?
Yep.
So everybody play bass?
Jada, I play the cello and the bass.
What's your name?
Jada.
Jada, why you have 3 pans, please?
Well, there are certain stuff in music, and in music there are different names for different pans. So in this pan, it has to play a certain thing in the song, and it goes for all the other pans in here.
Jada, I hate to tell you, I don't understand what you just say, but it just sounds sensible to me.
My name is Nathan, and I primarily play the drum set.
Primarily?
Yes.
Which means you have a secondary role.
Well, not right now.
Oh, all right. Where are we? Sorry, miss.
Robin.
Robin? Morning.
Morning.
Robin, smile with me, man. What pan you play?
Well, anything at all.
So you are the big thing?
Except the drums.
So not everything then?
No, not everything.
All right.
My name is Michaela and I play anything.
Michaela play anything. Which pan is anything?
Everything.
Everything. I'm confused.
Hi, my name is Tony and I play all the pans except drum, which is not a pan.
So why you have... So like you just go somebody yard and take with them drum.
Them garbage window. Each
6?
pan has 3 notes.
Give me something with all of them. Quick. Just mix up something. Yeah, go on. All of them. You leave out these two?
No song uses all of them.
Oh, all right.
Morning, my name is Caitlin and I play everything except drums.
So nobody don't like drummer. And who are these ladies at the back now? Why are them putting all the way at the back? We can't see them, everyone. Or I need to bring them up.
Hello,
Hello.
my name is Daria and
Your name is?
Daria.
Daria. And what's your role?
I play the cello and the rhythm.
Where is the cello and the...
Cello is over there.
So why are you over here?
Because I'm dancing.
Oh, you're a dancer too.
Good morning, my name is Rikita. I play the rhythm and sometimes lead when I'm bored and the drum.
What's the rhythm? What do you mean you play the
The
rhythm?
rhythm pants.
What's your name?
I'm Rikita, right?
Rikita, right.
My name is Ruth and I'm here for moral support.
In other words, Ruth, I know the not that time.
My name is Anthony and I play everything but the drum.
Everything but the drum. Nobody likes the drum. It's the Ardenne Steel Orchestra. Let's hear from it. Miss, hold on, I can take out my paper so Javier, don't mash it up. Here they are.